Here we got a 1963 Studebaker Convertible. See it up there. And the engine is a Studebaker motor. And I don't know what he's went out of business, but these are some great cars. I think it was fighting at the corporate level or something. Studebaker battery. This thing's all original, man. God. Obviously, when you do all this. Well, it's not original, 110%. It's very damn close. Black interior. It's convertible, of course. Automatic, nice gauge package. You notice the toggle switches for the wipers and all that. Fan or whatever. The lights, ignition switches over there. You got your defroster. That's that thing on the left there. Put the clock right in front of you like that. Put the clock in front of you. This is a businessman's car. No tack. We want a clock. Make sure you're not late for the meetings. That thing.
Wow, I didn't know Studebaker made convertibles.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
With the V8. Nice car.